2019 Porsche Cayenne car review. The good points of 2019 Porsche Cayenne. Truly impressive handling for any crossover SUV. Wide choice of powerful engines available. Exquisite interior and construction. Plenty of customization options. The bad points of 2019 Porsche Cayenne. Quite several optional features needs to be standard in the price tag. Gloss black interior panels look dirty right away. The 2019 Porsche Cayenne new feature. Completely redesigned and restyled. More powerful engines. New and improved hybrid model. This would be the first year with a third-generation Cayenne. The 2019 Porsche Cayenne is redesigned from cab to tailgate and now bears much more of a resemblance towards the 911 than previously. Power from every available engine may be increased, plus there is a new Cayenne hybrid, which replaces last year's S hybrid. Porsche also has managed to make Cayenne way below the previous year. Inside, the Cayenne sees an updated interior, complete using a 12.3-inch touchscreen for treating most in the SUV's systems. It's very similar for the one based in the current Panamera. The instrument panel, too, may be updated with two 7-inch multifunction digital displays. The cargo area has become made larger for 2019, too. Of course, Porsche still comes with a myriad of personalization choices for every Cayenne. Combinations can seem to be almost endless and will include a wide variety of colors, wheels, interior materials and performance-related upgrades. But these options can send the cost straight into orbit. As well-rounded because the Porsche Cayenne could be, there are several drawbacks to bear in mind. We take into account the rear seat and cargo area for being adequate, but other SUVs within the class offer more room. And some features, which can be standard on competitors, are pricey choices on the Cayenne. But we've for ages been fans with the Porsche Cayenne, and also the improvements Porsche has made on the 2019 model, we come across no reason to improve our opinion. For more background for the new Cayenne, watch our 2019 Cayenne First Look, 2019 Cayenne First Drive and 2019 Cayenne Hybrid First Look. 2019 Porsche Cayenne configurations. The 2019 Porsche Cayenne is often a 5-passenger mid-size SUV for sale in 4 trim levels: base, S, hybrid and turbo. These trim levels mainly differ as to what engine is beneath the hood, though they actually typically include several extra features with each boost as well. All feature all-wheel drive as well as an 8-speed automatic transmission. The base Cayenne is certainly not to sneeze at, with lots of performance from its turbocharged 3.0-litre V6 engine, 335 horsepower, 332 pound-feet. 19-inch wheels are standard, much like LED headlights, partial leather seats along with a 12.4-inch touch-screen, among more features. The Cayenne S has a twin-turbocharged 2.9-litre V6 engine, 434 horsepower, 406 lb-ft, different 19-inch wheels, an adaptive suspension, dubbed Porsche Active Suspension Management, or PASM, tinted taillights along with a panoramic roof. The hybrid is powered with a turbocharged 3.0-litre V6 engine aided by a motor 455 horsepower, 516 lb-ft combined. A plug-in hybrid, the hybrid can drive about 27 miles on all-electric power prior to a gas engine switches on. It adds PASM and also the Sport Chrono package as standard equipment. The turbo replaces the V6 engine, having a twin-turbo V8 engine, 541 horsepower, 561 lb-ft. Over and above the typical Cayenne, The turbo includes upgraded front sports seats, a panoramic sunroof, adaptive LED headlights, an air suspension with PASM, upgraded brakes, back and front heated seats, plus a 14-speaker Bose speakers. Many features which come standard on upper trim levels is usually ordered as standalone options. Indeed, like other Porsches, the Cayenne is one from the most customizable vehicles you can purchase. Then you may have even more choices from your dizzying options list. It starts with two main packages, Premium and Premium Package Plus, then goes to a massive list of standalone choices. All will enhance the Cayenne performance, technology and audio, comfort, safety, and exterior and interior style. All for just a price, naturally. Driving. There's a lot of performance here, it doesn't matter what your needs. The Cayenne is one from the best performing SUVs you can get. It displays the nimbleness of a much smaller and lighter vehicle, a sensation presented by the full suite of Porsche's performance features. Comfort. There's not very much to fault together with the new Cayenne. Supportive seats, excellent sound insulation and optional air suspension make sure of that. Interior. Exceptional quality is everywhere you look within the new Cayenne. Front passengers enjoy ample space and it is definitely a great place to spend hours when driving, regardless how or where driving. Utility. Porsche says that this new Cayenne has 27.1 cubic feet of cargo space behind the spine seats, or 60.3 cubic feet while using seats folded down. These are respectable numbers, though some rival SUVs offer more. Technology. The interior is dominated by way of a 12.3-inch touchscreen display, as well as the instrument panel hasn't one but two 7-inch screens. Porsche proceeded to go all in, making the Cayenne one of the most technologically advanced SUVs about the market.